Let me teach you how to use Ankara to achieve fan Gele.
Dead baby. What's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Tech Beauty. Yes, so today we are going to use Ankara to achieve rand. This material is called Ankara wax. Then if you want to achieve anything fan, make sure you have the length of 75. Lowest, the length must be 75. This one is 80 for the length. Then the first thing you will do, you will fold it into two so that the Ankara material, the texture will be more stronger. Okay, you divide it 40-60. One part will be longer than the other side. Then once you create the first plate, you cover one part of the ear, then you open the other part of the ear. So this is the 40 I'm using now. So focus your eye on my hand and see how I'm going to use this part. Create some plaiting. After you create some plaiting by covering the other ear, then you will now start your fan. You just see the way I'm going to do it. Make sure you focus your eye. See the way I'm just creating the plaiting. Now I start creating fan with that same 40. Okay, my people, you create fan until the material gets to the end. Okay, right now the material for the 40 part is finished. Okay, by the time you get to the end part, just twist it. Tell your customer to secure that place for you by holding it. Okay, right now we are going to use pin to secure that part as well. You can use up to 2 to 3 pin. Now I'm going to work on the 60. This is the 60. So before you start creating your fan, first you just take like 2 to 3 plaiting as well again. So that's the second plaiting, third plaiting. Now I start creating my fan. Okay, my people, it's very easy. If you want to know more explanation how I achieve all this head wrap, I always do live on Facebook. Anytime I'm live on Facebook, just try and be there so that with that we have more explanation. Okay, so in case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. Book me for your event. We are into makeup, Gele, different style. Go to my Instagram, you will see all my job is there, pictures, because my Facebook is too busy, too much video, too much things are there. So when you visit my Instagram, it's the same name, Tech Beauty. You will see my job. We are into many things. We do photo shoot as well, in case you want to have your photo shoot. So come and do your photo shoot. Book me for your event. I'm available to travel. We do the Okuku Edo Bride as well. That beats Edo Bride head wrap for the traditional marriage. I also do for all tribe. Send me picture of what you need. I will give it to you. Okay, so now we try to connect the two hairs together. Now you just knot it. Tell your customer to hold that front part for you. Okay, so what I will do now, I will just cover the back, use pin to pin any area that needs pin. Okay, my people, I have a lot of styles on my YouTube channel in case you are watching me from YouTube. In case you are watching me from Facebook as well, I have many styles. Visit my YouTube channel. You will see many styles, how to achieve it on yourself as well. I have it. I have different simple style. 3 minutes Gele for church, different quick head wrap for church. When you are going to event, operation, do it yourself. So it's good you learn it how to do things on your own. How to do makeup as well. We have everything. We teach everything for you to look beautiful. Okay, my people, my number is always at the end of all my video. If you check one video, my number is not there. Before you check up to 3 video, you will see that my number is there. Contact me. We sell makeup product as well. We as well sell perfume. I can post it to you wherever you are. Okay, this is the final. This is the end of the video. So the little hair that just pop out from there, I just use gel to make sure I slick it down, so that that place will bring out some little baby hair out. So that is it, my people. This material is called Ankara wax. I hope una dey learn o, una try to learn, because handwork is very good. In case you want to learn it as well for extra income, you can still learn it. In case you want to learn it how to achieve it on yourself, you can learn it. If you don't like this fan, I have rules. I have how to use rubber band. I have different style how to do turban with akara. I have different style of akara. I have different style of ashoke. In fact, my YouTube, go there and rock. Go and rock. Go and rock. She is super excited. So that is it, my people. She is on her way to church.